Okay, this is problem 6 from chapter 11, CFIN7. This is a cost of preferred calculation. There are two variations of cost of preferred. One is when we don't have new issues, and that's just the dividend divided by the price. The cost of new preferred is the dividend divided by the price times 1 minus the flotation cost. Question. Buoyant Cruises plans to issue preferred stock with a $120 par value, 5% dividend. Even though the current market value of its stock is $80 per share, Buoyant expects to net only $75 per share. So that means that $5 is flotation cost. What is the cost of issuing preferred stock? The firm's marginal tax rate is 34%, which is completely irrelevant. So first thing to do is to calculate the dividend. So we've got the par value and the dividend rate. So we just multiply those two together to calculate the dividend. So 120 times the 5%. So that's a $6 dividend. So in this case, our cost of preferred is going to be the dividend divided by the net proceeds because it's the cost of issuing. So equals 6 divided by 75. And let me hit the percent. So 8% is the cost of preferred. And in this case, we're talking about new preferred.